Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best magnetic glass whiteboard is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home office, creative space, or even kitchen, offering a sleek, modern alternative to traditional whiteboards that not only functions flawlessly for jotting down notes and brainstorming ideas but also serves as a chic decorative element, all while keeping your important documents and reminders securely in place with its magnetic capabilities, making it an indispensable tool for organization and productivity. Number 5. Brand's 24 inches by 36 inches frameless glass whiteboard. Elevate your workspace and boost productivity with this sleek, frameless glass whiteboard. Its frosted surface delivers a clean writing experience, perfect for any setting. Built for long-lasting daily use, this high-quality board features shatter-resistant tempered glass and a modern frameless design. It won't ghost or stain, ensuring a pristine look. Install this board quickly and easily with the included hardware. Its versatile mounting options fit any office, classroom, or home, letting you focus on your ideas. This premium board features a non-porous, ghost-proof surface that wipes clean effortlessly. Enjoy writing, drawing, and erasing without any leftover marks. We are passionate about providing well-designed products that help you feel inspired. Let our thoughtfully crafted board enhance your creative process. What we like. This one offers a sleek, frameless design with a frosted glass surface that resists stains and ghosting. If you're looking for a modern aesthetic that's easy to maintain for everyday use in an office, classroom, or home, this is a great choice. It's designed for hassle-free mounting, letting you focus more on your ideas. What people say. The magnetic surface is strong and holds paper securely. The glass is smooth and erases cleanly without ghosting. It's a great size for my home office and looks very sleek. Number 4. Amazon Basics Magnetic Frameless Glass Whiteboard 96x48. Introducing the Amazon Basics Magnetic Frameless Glass Whiteboard, a premium writing surface designed for your workspace. Its sleek design complements any office or home environment. Crafted with a durable glass surface, this board is built to last. It resists scratches and dents, ensuring a pristine writing experience for years to come. The steel-backed magnetic glass allows for easy display of documents and notes. It's perfect for organizing your important papers and reminders. Setting up this large whiteboard is a breeze. All necessary hardware is included, making installation straightforward with basic tools. This board comes complete with a detachable tray, an eraser, and 2 powerful magnets. Everything you need to get started right away is in a box. What we like. This option boasts an extra-large, magnetic glass surface, perfect for displaying documents and notes with the included high-power magnets. If you need a spacious and versatile board for heavy-duty use where you can both write and display important items, this is the one to consider. Its durable construction ensures it can handle frequent use. What people say. The glass is thick and sturdy, giving it a premium feel. The magnetic surface is strong and holds magnets securely. The whiteboard is easy to clean and doesn't leave any ghosting. Number 3. Quartet 74x42 Glass Magnetic Whiteboard. Experience a clean, modern look with our frameless invisible mounting system. It creates a sleek, floating appearance, giving you an edge-to-edge writing surface. The vivid white, high-contrast glass surface ensures your handwriting is always clear and distinct. Enjoy a writing experience that's both beautiful and functional. Our non-absorbent glass lets you write, erase, and rewrite effortlessly. It's stain and ghost resistant, ensuring your messages are communicated without distracting streaks. This durable, tempered glass resists scratches and dents, making it ideal for heavy use. It's designed for long-term performance and backed by a 20-year limited warranty. Easily display papers and documents with the included high-powered glass board magnets. Keep your important notes and visuals securely in place. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting template, designed for horizontal-only mounting. The InvisaMount system with no visible hardware makes it beautifully simple. Rest assured, this board meets strict GreenGuard Gold standards for low emissions. This means better indoor air quality for your home, office, or school. What we like. This board features an innovative InvisiMount system for a clean, floating look and is GRN/GUARD Gold certified for better indoor air quality. If you prioritize a minimalist design and a healthier environment, especially in sensitive spaces like homes, offices, or schools, this is an excellent selection. The long 20-year warranty also speaks to its exceptional durability. What people say. The magnetic surface is strong and holds paper securely. The glass is smooth and easy to clean, leaving no ghost marks. The sleek, modern design looks great in any office or home setting. Number 2. Quartet Infinity Frameless Magnetic Glass Whiteboard. Elevate your space with this sophisticated and modern glass whiteboard. Its unique design will become a stylish focal point in any office, school, or home. Enjoy a consistently clean writing surface. This board is stain and ghost resistant, ensuring your messages are always clear and free from distracting streaks. Breathe easier with this certified whiteboard. It meets strict standards for low emissions, contributing to better indoor air quality in any environment. Built for heavy use, this durable tempered glass resists scratches and dents. It's designed for long-term performance and comes with a 15-year warranty. Easily display important papers and documents. It comes with 2 high-powered magnets to securely attach your items. Hanging this board is a breeze thanks to its pass-through mounting system. You can easily install it accurately, either vertically or horizontally. What we like. With its infinity frameless mounting and GRN/GUARD Gold certification, this board offers a sophisticated look while contributing to better indoor air quality. If you appreciate a modern aesthetic and are conscious about the environment and health, this is a strong contender. The pass-through mounting system also makes installation straightforward. What people say. The Magnetic Glass Whiteboard is a great addition to my home office. It's sleek and modern looking, and the glass surface is very smooth and easy to write on. I love that the whiteboard is magnetic. It allows me to easily attach notes, pictures, and other important documents. The magnets are strong and hold everything in place securely. The whiteboard is also very durable. The glass is tempered and scratch resistant, so I don't have to worry about it getting damaged. It's a great investment for anyone looking for a high-quality whiteboard. Number 1. Frameless Magnetic Glass Whiteboard 48 by 36. Experience a modern, frameless tempered glass whiteboard. Its expansive 48 by 36-inch surface offers unrestricted creativity and effortless writing, with no dust buildup. Crafted from premium, high-temperature treated glass, this board is built to last. Enjoy superior scratch resistance and a crystal-clear texture that adds elegance to any space. Setting up your new writing surface is simple. With clear instructions, you can easily mount it vertically or horizontally on your wall. Elevate your home, office, or classroom with its sleek and elegant design. It seamlessly blends style and functionality, leaving a sophisticated impression. This is more than just a writing surface, it's a multifunctional tool for notes, drawings, and reminders. The movable magnetic tray adds extra convenience. Simplify your daily tasks and boost productivity. Order yours today and discover the ease of staying organized with this essential tool. What we like. This board stands out with its frameless tempered glass design and a unique movable magnetic pen tray, maximizing your writing space. If you value flexibility and a sleek, modern look for your office, home, or school, this is a fantastic option. The high-temperature treated glass ensures exceptional durability and scratch resistance for long-lasting performance. What people say. The glass is very smooth and easy to write on, and the markers erase cleanly without leaving any ghosting. The magnetic feature is strong, holding papers and notes securely without slipping. The sleek, modern design complements any office or home decor, and the frameless look gives it a premium feel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.